Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the introduction to Go programming. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in programming and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, Go is basically a short form and the full form is the Golang. It's an open source programming language developed by Google. Now, open source means that it basically doesn't require any subscription cost, and you can easily free of cost use this programming language. It is developed by Google, and it was created by Robert Griesemer, Rob Pike and Ken Thompson. It was released in 2009, and you can notice that it's not a very old language. Golang language is designed with a focus on the simplicity, readability, and productivity, and it's a very good language for scalable and efficient software programming. So now we shall discuss more about in detail about the different features and aspects of the Go programming language. First one is the simplicity and the readability. When Go programming is very simple and easy to read, its syntax is very clean, straightforward, so that you can have less chances of errors, and maintainability of source code is more in the Go programming language. Concurrency support. Google has feature in built-in support for concurrent programming. Concurrent programming means that you can open sessions more than that, like you can do the multi-threading, and system programming especially can be done in the Go programming language. So it's basically makes it easy to write concurrent code, and the Go keyword used to start a new Go routine is basically like that: Go function, okay, and bracket open and then this bracket close. So this is basically a syntax to start a code, start a function in the Go. Channels are used for communication between Go routines, providing a safe and efficient means of synchronization. For example, this is the code: ch is equal to make chan int Go function ch42 and then value assign as ch. Okay, so this is basically the syntax of the Go programming. Maybe you notice that basically conceptually it is same if you are a person who is already using, for example, Java or any other like C# programming language. Logically the same concept is there, that you are making functions and routines so that you can divide the task into multiple functions and manage the source code accordingly. However, the syntax of Go programming language is a little bit different. However, the basic concepts are there, like open bracket, close bracket, and function routines. Then garbage collection. Go programming has the automatic garbage collection concept. That it means the memory management for developers. They don't need to worry about it. Basically, the Go programming already or automatically managing the memory management. This features helps memory leaks, prevent memory leaks, and makes it easier to write robust and scalable programs. uh, I, I'm sure that you know about it, that the like Java and C sharp, etc. All these nowadays these languages which are older than the Go programming are already have the function of garbage collection. Similarly, Go programming is also using the concept of garbage collection. So whenever you are creating variables, you are assigning values, so you don't need to worry that you have to release the memory, because Go programming is already managing it the memory manually, automatically. Then strong typing and static typing. When Go is statically typed, which means that variables types must be explicitly declared and compile time. For example, let's take this an example: var age int, that is an integer value, that means whole value, and age is assigned at 25. So if that means the variable age has a type of integer. So if you assign 25, then it's okay, there will be no issue. If you assign 25.3 here, that means the decimal value in the age, obviously the compiler will give you an error and it will not compile the source code here. Okay, so the typing is very important whenever you are defining the variable, and compiler is strict, it will not execute the code if there is any issue in the type of variables. Next is the standard library. A standard library means, friend, that Go has a standard library for which it includes packages for networking, cryptography, file input output, and many more. Basically, it allows developers to perform various tasks without relying on external libraries, and you can, as a being a developer, you can use the existing libraries to write a code. It will help you a lot in writing the programs, and standard libraries are very useful in the networking and cryptography and file input output. Next is the cross-platform support. Golang is designed for to be cross platforms, and the Go compiler, which basically compile the source code and convert it to the bytecode, can generate executable for different operating systems and architecture. It's a very big advantage of using the cross platform. For example, you are working on Android operating system and you have to run that on the Apple store app operating system, so it is possible. Cross platform is a very big advantage being a developer if you are using a Go programming language here. Next is the concurrency patterns. Go encourages the use of concurrency patterns such as channels and Go routines to handle concurrent tasks efficiently. This is especially valuable in building scalable and concurrent systems. So concurrency is a very big advantage of the Go programming, and many developers are using this concept of concurrency. Concurrency means, friend, that executing the task in a multi-threading way, like you can execute multiple tasks at a one time. So this is whenever you are making a system program or networking program, it's a very big feature. Then tooling. Go comes up with a set of powerful tools such as Go command, which simplifies tasks like fetching dependencies, building, testing, and running code. So there are many tools are available to execute the Go programming. Static linking. Go produces static linking binaries which include dependencies, making it easy to distribute and deploy applications without worrying about runtime dependencies. Then community and ecosystem. The community and ecosystem of Go is also wide range of open source libraries and frameworks are there for various purposes, so you can understand that the community and ecosystem is very strong for Go programming. Popular projects especially like Docker, Kubernetes are all written in the Go language. So the ecosystem and community provides lots of support for developers, and if you are a person who is willing or thinking to start career or start programming in Go programming, so let me tell you that it will help you a lot. There are so many source codes are available, libraries are available, community is available, which helps you a lot to develop your skills in Go programming, and you can easily understand and you can easily grow in this programming nowadays, because lots of material, lots of things are already available which helps you in your career, and it will help you in support. Then friend, in the last I would say that Go is well suited for certain types of application, but there are many use cases in which it is not suitable as well. The Go programming is suitable for concurrent and distributed systems, networking, and other scenarios where performance and simplicity are crucial. Okay, so these types of programs or projects where like for example networking and system programming is there, so it is better to use Go programming. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.